what really grinds my gears? When you spend money on a premium delivery service such as Amazon Prime, and this is how they treat your package.
Hey, Stevie, what's your name? Devin what? When I seen the way you just dropped that and then kicked it, no, I don't appreciate that.
I'm sorry about that.
I got it on camera here too.
I don't know anything fragile though.
I don't give a fuck if it's fragile or not. It's not yours. It's mine.
I got you.
You wouldn't like me to come to your house and throw it, like if I took your phone out your pocket, threw it right and kicked it. Would you like that?
Not really.
Right, nobody would. Let's try to do that, man. Is your name Devin? Devin what?
Ross.
You got a badge number or anything?
No.
Devin Ross. Okay. Thanks, Devin Ross.
Like I said, I know it's a principle.
It doesn't matter if it's anything of value or not. If that's how you treat everybody's packages, then you don't need your job.
Now, if you think that I was too harsh or a little unfair, comment down below and tell me how you would have handled the situation. I mean, if it was your package, wouldn't you be a little upset? Especially since you're paying extra money for their service.